Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 5 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store that's currently making $0 and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 every single month. Yesterday, we had 128 active listings, and out of those 128 active listings, we were able to get one sale. And as I've stated yesterday, I've gone ahead and doubled our active listings. Now we have 257 currently running on our eBay store today. And tomorrow I'm gonna double that again, and that the day after tomorrow, where we're gonna stop counting, because that's basically is going to be 1,000 listings a day, and then basically just blast it as much as you can. All right, now let's go to our performance tab and check our traffic. Okay, as you can see, our impression has been climbing. We had around 6,500 ish impressions, the eyeballs, and our listing views is actually decreased about 20 to 30 in comparison to yesterday, which is totally fine. Our impressions have been climbing up. We have 15,406 impressions now, meaning the eyeballs that have seen our listing, and we had 369 listing views out of that 15k impressions. And in the last 30 days, we sold one item, which was yesterday. Our click-through rate has gone down from 1% to 0.9%, which is 1.1% decrease, and our sales conversion rate is 0.3%. That is it for today's video. Tomorrow, as I've mentioned, I'm going to be doubling it, and then you're going to realize that our views is gradually increasing day by day. So I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow.